This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have an Electrolux washing machine that has a slow drain error and also just is not spinning, and it's due to a clog in the drain. So we have unplugged it, we have it tilted back at 45 degrees against the wall. Make sure you have something underneath to brace it, and we're going to have a Phillips head screwdriver hooked to a ratchet so we can undo this clamp that is holding on this hose or this rubber boot below the tub. Inside that boot there is a filter that holds things that come through the wash, and I think it's probably clogged. So we're going to undo that, and we're going to pull back, and I just pulled out a little baby sock. And now I have the boot off and I'm pulling more junk out, and I'm going to grab the filter inside the boot and I'm going to kind of wiggle it out of the boot. It's a big plastic filter, and then see what other junk is in there. So I have a flashlight in here so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm coming in from underneath the washing machine. Just make sure that this thing's not going to fall on you when you push it back to 45 degrees. So here's the filter comes out, and inside I notice there's more baby socks, and there's also a small plastic garbage bag. So it was really limiting how much water could get through the drain, and it was causing all kinds of errors, and that's all it is, just full of junk. So we clean that up. We're going to put that back into the boot, and then we're just going to put the clamp around the boot and push that boot back up onto the tub, and make sure you push it way up onto that tub as far as it'll go while you're tightening the clamp. And this part might take a little while, so take your time, a little bit tricky. You get that clamp really tight so that that boot can't come off during the wash cycle. So I got it pushed up on there hard. I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to get that really tight. And just again, make sure you're pushing it up in there. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.